During the preparation and drafting of your BOQ document, you may need to note down changes or checks to be done at a later time. With PriMus you can write and paste in a post-it containing notes and memos directly within the price list and measurements editor. From the local menu, or with a Control key plus left mouse button, click Insert a Reminder. Place it on the item or directly on the sheet where more appropriate. Type and format the annotation text as desired. Then confirm changes with the green check. Likewise, enter all the reminders that you need. From the View Options toolbox, hide or display all the reminders. Browse the inserted reminders. Delete a reminder by selecting it and clicking on the Delete button. Or delete all reminders with the menu option.